guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about kitchen cabinetry. So here we are in this kitchen, and instead of having the traditional side-by-side cabinets, we have drawers here. And the great thing about this is that it keeps everything readily accessible, where you don't have to reach up high in spaces and kind of struggle to get things down. Everything that you use is right here. So like in the first drawer, for example, they have their silverware. And what I love about this is that it actually has a hidden drawer underneath. So it has some of their other utensils that they may not use on an everyday basis, but it's all right here, grouped together and organized. I love the hidden drawer function. That's one of my favorite things. And right next to the utensils, you have the plates, where these would normally be in an upper overhead cabinet. It's right here. It's easily accessible. You don't have to bend down for things, and it just keeps it more organized. They're soft close, so it's a great way to utilize your counter space and your cabinets without having to bend down or anything like that, and everything is right here for you to use. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.